Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Hope you're all well. Absolutely love this new arrival. If you follow any of my videos on the social media platforms, you should know by now, I love a hot hatch. So here we are in front of us today, a 2018 18 plate Volkswagen Golf TSI R. This is a 6-speed manual and it's finished in the deep black pearl paintwork, complemented with the grey race cloth centre and Alcantara bolsters with the R Embossed logo seats. The car has only covered 29,578 miles and comes with a full Volkswagen service history and an impressive specification which includes £2,755 of optional extras. Now, if you have a look at the advert on amtauto.co.uk, you will see all the services, dates, mileages, and where they were done. Everything's been done, as I say, at VW, including all the interval inspections when required as well. So let me talk you through those cost options firstly. So up on top there, we've got the Panoramic Sunroof, and that was £995. The 19-inch Spielberg Alloy wheels, £810. The black pearl effect paintwork was £575. And we've got the keyless entry and start system, £375. Now, on top of that, there's some amazing specification as well. So, starting on the outside, in terms of parking aids, we do have the park assist front and rear sensors. We've got the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, and the door mirrors are electrically adjustable, heated and folding. Now, inside, we've got heated front seats, automatic lights, we've got adaptive cruise control as well. It's got the all-important race mode setting, satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and the flat bottom multifunction steering wheel. What I'll do now is I'll just show you inside. I think those chrome mirrors really do set it off quite nicely. So here we have those R embossed Alcantara bolster seats. Moving on through here, flat bottom steering wheel, aluminium pedals, and it does have the proper VW mats in there as well throughout. Previous owners really looked after the car. It's a fine example and really excited to be bringing it to market through AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Excuse me. If you have any questions on the car at all, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions that you may have. We work with a panel of lenders for any financial requirements, and we also work with WarrantyWise, the UK's #1 warranty company, for any extended warranty needs also. Really do appreciate you watching the video, and I do hope it was of some use to you. If you have any questions, do come back to us. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.